The X at the front of cat. Such a transition can be explained as an act of textual coherence, or it can be seen as the embracing of a stereotypical function forced by the contrarian cultivation, gaming the person with a black or dark skin for the questionable stimulus of financial prosperity. If this was the fundamental stimulus anyway, James must have been frustrated, for the autobiography did not earn much concern, nor did it have valid sales at what time it was first advertised in 1912. In this novel, the denomination of the narrating from the tale's title repeats ambiguously. The X at the front of colored not merely connects to his self-formation as a white instead of colored individual, but also indicates his colorlessness, his self-understanding as a neither Negro nor white individual. Overrunning some undefined third area in between class and permanently wavering between probably solid structures of blackness and whiteness, the X-colored individual fights reduction to one ethnic ranking. Being of mixed vein inheritance and splashing the black-white duality, the X-colored individual as a transient character embodies this category crisis as the effective evidence of the shakiness and for this reason unreliability of the category vein. The X-colored individual is inevitably hesitant across the ontology of ethnic groups. Away from his intention to keep unknown his and all the other figures' namelessness, through the tale further indicate a feeling of having no settled house or social or belongings ties in a permanently changing new community that is paradoxically promptly established in exactly these uncertain notions of vein. His ethical mystery and paradoxical situations toward himself and community result from becoming at once a beneficiary and insider as well as a stranger and crucial supervisor of that very public framework. The novel thus participates in a rhetoric of constructionism and in an eloquence of essentialism, at the same time as the tale adopts some sides of white community and critiques other people of its Negro match. The deployment of this dual eloquence renders to achieve as the overall content of the Negro a dual criticism of white mixed-class community, while at the same time conferring Johnson to present African Americans' ethical excellence. James himself narrates us that he started to make no less than that.